Bateson and Punnett concluded it as a coupling, and the genes coming from two different parents and tend to enter different gamete and to be inherited separately inherited independently. This is as repulsion. But Morgan explained that coupling and repulsion is the two aspect of linkage. Some salient features of linkage according to Morgan. Genes are arranged in the linear fashion in the chromosome. There are, suppose A, B, C, D are the genes and they are arranged on a chromosome as linear fashion. A, B, C, D as. They shows linkage are situated in same chromosome. The chromosome genes which are present on the same chromosome, they shows linkage. That is, when they inherited or transferred from their parent to their progeny, they togetherly inherited. This is known as linkage. Linked genes tend to retain their original combination during the course of inheritance. The linked gene, that is the genes, those genes are present on same chromosomes, they retain their original combination as they present in their parent chromosome. Closely situated genes are shows strong linkage than widely separated genes. If the genes are present so closely, they are their recombination percentage is so low, so they are inherited together, and this is called strong linkage. So their recombination is nil. But if the genes are separately present or distantly present, here A and B genes, and they are present separately, their recombination takes place between these two genes or two chromosomes, then they may be separated. So here he says the closely situated genes are so strong linkage than the widely separated genes. Arrangement of the dominant and recessive alleles on the chromosome may be two forms, cis forms and trans forms. What is cis form arrangement? When the dominant allele of a one gene pair present on a same chromosome and their recessive allele present in another homolog chromosome. Here A and B is the dominant allele of two characters. They are present in this chromosome, and their recessive alleles small a and small b present in another homolog pair. This arrangement is known as cis arrangement. And when the two alleles of a same chromosome, a same gene character or same character, when present on two different homolog, example, capital A is the dominant gene of one character and small b is the recessive genes of one character present in one homolog, and capital A genes, recessive genes of capital A is and dominant genes of small b present on another homolog. This arrangement is known as trans arrangement. Here we see the Morgan's experiment. In his first experiment, he performed his experiment on Drosophila, that is a fruit fly. He cross a dihybrid cross here. One parent character is grey body and long wing. It is the dominant character, and its recessive character was black body and vestigial wings. After F1 generation, they found a grey long character Drosophila, but here the character was hybrid character. In P2 generation, he test cross with a recessive character parent. So he found that in F2 generation, 41.5% was parental combination and 8.5% was a recombinant combination. And this experiment and another experiment where experiment 2 the here the parent one parent is gray body and vestigial wings, and black body, his recessive character was black body and long wing. In F1 generation he also found the gray and long wing Drosophila. After test cross, he again found a 41.1%, about 41.1% parental combination and parental combination, and for recombinant combination for 8.5%. And from this experiment he concluded that when the genes are this character are gray body, and the genes for gray body and long wing present in a very near, and they are linked genes. Next, the type of linkage. Linkage is two types: complete linkage and incomplete linkage. What is complete linkage? When the genes are present in so closely, that is so closely related genes, linked genes shows the complete linkage. Here they are transmitted together in their parental combination to the same gamete. Here no non-parental combination are not formed in case of complete linkage. This type of linkage actually very rare. In Y chromosome character, the genes which is present in Y chromosome are shows the complete linkage, because here the all chromosome present in Y chromosome, here no homologous chromosome is present in individuals, but in female body the X chromosome present in pair, that is homologous chromosome present XX, but in male body there is only one Y chromosome, there no pair is present. So all the here recombination does not take place because there is no homologous pair. The Y chromosome containing genes are all shows the complete linkage. In case of incomplete linkage, here recombination takes place. So their genes are separately present in case of incomplete linkage. So the percentage of non-parental combination here formed. And this non-parental combination why formed? Now because here recombination takes place. For this character for linked genes, it is used linked genes used as a marker for many experiments. This is all about the linkage. Now here now we will discuss about recombination. Recombination is the phenomenon of formation of new combination of old gene is known as recombination. Which is we found in linkage in case of incomplete linkage, where we found the recombinant progeny. Here the recombinant progeny. This recombinant progeny is produced by this process of recombination. And how this recombination takes place? It is takes place by crossing over, which is done in Peckitin stage of meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, the crossing over takes place. The result of this crossing over is recombination. So, the amalgamation of the genes takes place through this recombination. So, new character is produced. Now, what is crossing over? It is a physical process of interchange of corresponding parts between the non-sister chromatid of a homologous pairs of chromosome that result in the recombination of linked gene. Non-sister chromatid. What is non-sister chromatid? During this meiosis 1, the chromosome of homologous pair is separated longitudinally to form the sister chromatid. Assume this is a chromosome, and during meiosis this chromosome is separated longitudinally along their whole body and to form the chromatid. They are sister chromatid. And this is the homologous chromosome. It also longitudinally separated, and this is the sister chromatid, and this chromatid is the non-sister chromatid. When the body part exchange between these two chromatid is non-sister chromatids of homologous pair of chromosome. The mechanism of crossing over. First step of this crossing over is synapsis. In synapsis, it takes place in zygote stage of meiosis 1. Here, two homologous chromosomes coming together and lie side by side forming a bivalent, and a synaptonymal complex is formed between these two homologous chromosomes. Then next step, duplication of chromosome. It takes place in Peckitin stage, where the chromosome longitudinally separated. Both chromosomes are longitudinally separated and form tetrad. Third stage, crossing over and chiasma formation. In this stage, it is also takes place in Peckitin stage. Here, the non-sister chromatid are exchange their part. After exchanging their body, they form a cross-like structure. This is known as chiasma. This happen in diplotin stage in meiosis. After formation of chiasma, this chiasma is moving from this center region, the centromere region, to tip region. This is called the terminalization of crossing over. This is also takes place during diplotin. After that, these two chromosomes are separated and body part is exchanged. This is the mechanism of crossing over. After crossing over, we get 4 types of chromosomes, and variety arises through this crossing over. The genes are exchanged between these two chromosomes through this crossing over.